guys, it's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. If you are returning, welcome to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year to you all. I am so glad if you are tuning in and rocking with me for the new year. So guys, as I stated in my previous video, if you guys have not watched it, definitely check it out. It was preparing me for this very video where I am doing a complete home reset on my home for the new year. I like to always have like a fresh start around my home, get some things done that just need to be put back in place or refreshed or however it may be. I just like to do that in the new year and just start off completely fresh. So I'm here today to bring you this video. Also, if you are home and there are some things that you need to get done or reset for the new year, definitely play this video and do it along with me, or watch the video, get some motivation, and then tackle those tasks. So I'm so excited to be here in 2026. Grateful, thankful for you all that are still here and the new people that are joining the channel. But we're gonna get right into the video. I'm here starting off fresh and ready to go. I am actually in my restroom area right now, but we're not gonna do anything in here just yet. I'm actually headed into my living room area because girl, boy, that is where we need to start at. So let's get right into it.
Alrighty guys, so I decided to start in my kitchen area rather than my living room area. I had some groceries that needed to be put away really quickly. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the kitchen. And I feel like starting with the kitchen always sets the mood for how the rest of the energy is going to go as far as cleaning your house. Because once the kitchen is clean, for me, I know I can just look at it and feel like everything is slowly coming together a little bit faster. So I don't want to have to look at a dirty kitchen or things all over the kitchen while I'm trying to get everything together. So I'm just putting away these groceries here. I had a few things that I needed to take out. I had to mostly just add things to it because we just really needed to do a grocery restock. So I got a few things to start us off. This year I am focusing on the bigger grocery hauls. I know last year I tried this thing where I was trying to be like minimum and, you know, get certain little groceries at a time. But I think this year the bigger grocery hauls definitely work for my family. But so far, this is what it looks like as far as our stock up. I think this is a pretty good bit to start us off. I also got some bananas. And now, guys, I am just going ahead and making out my calendar for January because we want to make sure that we are planning appropriately and have everything on our schedules and our charts and everything. So I'm definitely getting my calendar together. I have one on my phone that I follow, a little planner that is so cute, but I like to have the calendar on the fridge as well. I purchased this one last year. If you guys watched my last year New Year reset, then you saw that I purchased this and it still has been working out great for me. So I really enjoy it. So once I get done with this, guys, I want to move on to cleaning some things around the kitchen. So let's get right into it. And by the way, guys, if you're interested in this planner I have on my fridge, I got it right off of Amazon. You know, Amazon has everything, all your household needs, anything you need. Mostly anything you guys see me using will probably be from Amazon or like my local Target or Walmart. I do shop around at stores like Ross and TJ Maxx and find things here and there. But mostly Amazon is amazing because it delivers right to your house. Now let's get into cleaning some things around the kitchen first, and then we'll move on to the rest of the house. And I'm going to start out with these dishes first because I feel like dishes, even though I'm doing like a home reset, dishes is like a never ending thing in my house. And I've been pretty much into hand washing dishes lately. My dishwasher is not my friend right now. So hand washing has been my thing. And I feel like this is just a traditional way that we learn to like wash our dishes. And I feel like they get even more cleaner this way as well. Now, if anybody else is with me on this, definitely comment below if you prefer to hand wash your dishes versus putting them in a dishwasher. I mean, a dishwasher is very helpful, but like I said, mine is not my friend right now, and we're gonna actually get into cleaning that later. But yeah, dishwashing is just like a regular never ending cycle, sort of like laundry. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up first. And guys, my method to washing dishes is, as you guys see me, I'm cleaning them and then putting them to the other side of the sink. I love the two-sided sink. So I was just cleaning them and then putting them on the other side to be rinsed and put away. And now moving on into my diffuser to get the kitchen smelling amazing. I tend to diffuse a lot in the new year just to give myself a break from all the candles burnt during the holiday season. Now, I'm still going to burn my candles here and there, but I'm definitely going to be using my essential oils. My favorite is lemon and lemongrass, so that's the combination I use now. And yeah, it just mists up the home and gives it a nice fresh smell. I even will let up the windows just to, get it distributed throughout. Now let's go ahead and make a beautiful flower arrangement. Now that I have all of the holiday decor out, I love to just have my space feeling even more fresher. These flowers smell amazing. These are the baby breaths and the white roses. So I just wanted like a nice winter flower arrangement, and I got these from my local Publix. And yeah, so go ahead and get right into fixing these up. Alrighty guys, so here's how that beautiful flower arrangement turned out. I love it. I think it's just very cute and simple, exactly like I wanted, and I think it looks so beautiful on my countertop. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tackle my dishwasher, guys. I went ahead and ran a quick cycle on it just to give it a nice little clean to help me out a little bit. That's a tip, guys, if you're cleaning your dishwasher, if you have one. Run it on a simple cycle first to break up some of the debris or tough stains in it, and then you can go back in and clean it again. So I am just going to take my mean green spray and just wipe it down, and then give it another cycle to get it all clean, because it had like a stench that I was just not happy with. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so now for my living room area. As a part of my reset, I wanted to go ahead and push my sofas back, and as you guys can see, there is numerous things that need to be swept from under it. So that is why it's important to like check your space and make sure that there is nothing hanging around under those sofas. I know from hosting and everything, there's a ton of trash I need to get up. So I'm just moving my table out of the way, sweeping this up, and then I'm going to go ahead and move these rugs out of the way. And I'm deciding, guys, if I want to switch this around a little bit, but I know for sure I definitely need to clean under it first. So gonna take care of this, and then I'll decide if I want to like push my sofa back or leave it the same. But I'll show you guys once I get finished here. If just keep on watching to see how it turns out. Alright guys, so this is how it turned out. I decided to keep the sofas exactly the same, but move the actual middle table that was sitting on my rugs over to the corner there by the fireplace. I just felt like the space that we needed here, just because when we're entertaining or my kids are in here, that table is in the way. So I put it towards the fireplace, and now I'm gonna go ahead and move on into the bathrooms, guys, because they definitely need to be clean, starting with my kids' bathroom. As you guys can see, I am just getting behind the toilets, giving this a nice scrub, and I like to do this kind of weekly, so this is kind of like a routine for me. They are getting old enough to where I am going to start teaching them how to, keep up with these tasks themselves, but for the most part, I like to, give it a good reset for them so everything can be nice and fresh and clean. This also acts as our guest bathroom, so when company comes over, I like it to be nice and clean as well. And guys, I opened this drawer and decided to tackle it as well. My daughter had like play eyeshadow that had waste in the drawer and it was really staining it. So I decided to go ahead and clean that as well as the organizers and get that back straightened up as well. Alrighty guys, so last but definitely not least, because I feel like there's always going to be things that need to be reset and clean, but I am in my restroom, my toilet area, just giving my toilet a nice clean because it was definitely time. And I'm going to finally get rid of this stand, guys. I had it for a while, but it is stained and tarnished and I'm sick of looking at it, and I'm glad I moved it because there was some dirt and actually a bug behind it. So I just got this space nice and clean, but that is it. Thanks so much for tuning in to this reset video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.